안녕하세요. 잘잘잘 한국어 교실에 오신 것을 환영합니다.
Hello everyone! Today, we will be learning about things to watch out for when reading and writing Korean. Here, we see a child trying to go inside the room. The child goes inside the room. If we write this in Korean, it reads,
아이가 방에 들어가요.
But what if you wrote it like this instead?
아이 가방에 들어가요.
Now the sentence has a completely different meaning. When writing sentences in Korean, you have to be careful about the spaces between words. This is called word spacing.
지금 어디예요? 집에 있어요. 집에? 거기가 어디예요? 집에 있어요.
When speaking Korean, you'll find that the final consonant often becomes part of the next syllable. That is called a prolonged sound. Once you are used to it, it will become easier to hear it. Today, we're going to learn about word spacing and prolonged sounds. Sentences are made by connecting words. When writing in Korean, you must put spaces between the words. If not, you might end up with a completely different sentence.
꽃이 많아요.
This is how it is written.
꽃이 많아요. 아기가 자요. 아기가 자요. 저는 운동을 좋아해요. 저는 운동을 좋아해요. 지금 동생이 라면을 먹어요. 지금 동생이 라면을 먹어요.
Let's try reading the sentence together.
지금 동생이 라면을 먹어요.
You do not pronounce the syllables 라, 면, 을 separately. Instead, you say them together, like this, 라면을. You also do not pronounce the syllables 먹, 요 separately either. Instead, you say it like this, 먹어요. When a final consonant is followed by a vowel, the final consonant sound is carried over to the next syllable. Try reading this word out loud.
할, 지, 지. 할아버지. 요. 요. 넘어져요. 외국 사람이에요. 외국 사람이에요. 외국 사람이에요. 집에 있어요.
Now, you can finally understand where your friend is. You may also see some cases where sounds are prolonged from one word to another.
친구가 안 와요. 친구가 안 와요. 친구가 안 와요.
It is written as 안 와요. But if you read it faster, the an is prolonged. The nian final consonant carries over to the wa, making it sound like 안 와요. Let's try reading the sentence.
집 앞에 꽃이 있어요. 집 앞에 꽃이 있어요. 집 앞에 꽃이 있어요.
Listen to the following sentence and try to read it out loud.
꽃을 선물해요.
Were you able to read it correctly? Take a look at the colored part. We should read 꽃을 as 꽃을 instead. Now, why don't we practice some more?
비행기가 날아가요. 비행기가 날아가요. 발음이 어려워요. 발음이 어려워요. 나들이를 가요. 나들이를 가요. 물을 마셔요. 물을 마셔요. 친구가 웃어요. 친구가 웃어요. 목욕탕에 가요. 목욕탕에 가요. 500원만 주세요. 500원만 주세요. 깊은 산속. 깊은 산속. 집 앞에서 기다려요. 집 앞에서 기다려요. 어디에서 왔어요? 어디에서 왔어요? 얼음이 녹았어요. 얼음이 녹았어요. 김치볶음밥을 먹어요. 김치볶음밥을 먹어요.
Let's practice what we learned today. Now you should be able to read Korean sentences with no problem. Try reading and writing the following sentences.
이름이 무엇입니까? 어디에서 왔어요? 무슨 일을 해요? 저는 한국 사람이에요. 저는 학생이에요. 저는 운동을 좋아해요. 저는 한국어를 배워요.
That's it for our Hangul lessons. You should now know how to read and write Hangul just fine, but it's okay if some parts are still unfamiliar to you. If you keep practicing, you will be able